Good morning again, Highlanders, and here are the morning announcements. So this week we are beginning our iReady tournament. We're calling it our World Series. And so we have a tournament bracket much like you would see in basketball tournaments and baseball tournaments. And so over here on the far left, you're going to see this week's matchups between some of our reading classes. The winning classes will move on to the next round and then compete against other reading classes. We have a few of our reading classes that have a first round bye, so they'll be beginning their competition the week of October 26th. But we are looking at pass rates in the iReady software, so students increase your pass rate and your class will move on. Every class that moves on will receive PBIS points, and then the winning team will receive special prizes at the very end of our World Series when we get to our championship in November. So iReady students, that is something to get excited about. And then for all of our students that are in math classes, we are also having a math tournament for IXL. The bracket is blank right now, but it'll be an 8-team bracket, and we will fill it in with each math teacher. And so what we're going to do this week is we're going to have a play-in, and we'll be tracking the data of all of our IXL classes. And so the top class from each of our math teachers will then be filled out on this bracket for next week. So this week in IXL, you're competing against all of the other classes in your teacher's schedule. So all of Mr. Russell's students, all of Miss Cummings' students, all of Miss Landsman's students, Miss Hickman's students, and on are competing against each other. The top period this week will enter the tournament, and then it'll be an 8-team showdown for the winner. And the same thing, we'll be giving PBIS points to the class period that wins each week, and then have an ultimate prize for the winner at the end. So students in IXL and iReady, it is game on. This Wednesday, October 21st, is Unity Day. It's a national day in recognizing and celebrating unity. And so on Unity Day, this Wednesday, we're encouraging students and staff to wear and share orange to promote kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. So again, that is Unity Day this Wednesday. Wear orange. And tomorrow, I'd like to declare Tuesday as Rays Spirit Day as the Rays begin the World Series. And I encourage all students and staff to wear their favorite Rays shirts in showing support for the local team. What a great season we've had between our Stanley Cup champions and the Bucks winning this weekend and the Rays now in the World Series. So keep showing that spirit. Our book for the day from Battle of the Books is called We're Not From Here. When the last humans on Earth need a new home, it looks like the planet Choom will be perfect. There's only one problem. The Zuri already live there. And unfortunately, that means that the humans will have to go to Zuri school. Will they be able to fit in? Will they make a good impression on the Zuri? And what if the Zuri don't want them there? All these questions will be answered in the sci-fi thriller We're Not From Here. Our lunch menu for today includes Max cheese sticks, and the cold options are Turkey Club and Chef Salad. Also want to remind students to be on time to every period, every day. Tardy Detentions start on Tuesday. They start tomorrow after school. And then also our community circles will begin now in class. As always, students, if you have a conflict with a peer, or if you know of a conflict between peers, please seek the assistance of an adult to help you in solving the matter. Here at Dunedin Highland Middle School, our rep is respect, excellence, and pride. Have a great day. Go Highlanders!